today let's start with chapter number 11, working with Flash JS3. So what is Flash symbol? So symbol is a reusable object. Symbol क्या होता है? एक reusable object होता है which is used and created in Flash. It can be reused through movie or imported and used in other movie. They are symbols like graphics, buttons and movie shapes. So a copy of symbol which is used in the movie is called instant and which can have its own independent property. Different from original symbol which is used in a movie and are stored in a library. And instant get updated by changing the properties. So what are the importance क्या है using Flash symbol की? Using Flash symbol, it is very crucial to the file size, and the Flash file depends largely on the size of all graphics and the text which is used in movie. Major advantage क्या है? It is taken into consideration only once, even if it is used 100 times. Right? We have three types of Flash symbol. So three symbols used in Flash are graphic symbol buttons and movie clip symbols. Graphic symbols जो होते हैं वो reusable होते हैं and with a static image. Basically, it is used for creating image animation. Right? Button symbols, they are used for timeline navigation. They add interactive movie response to movie clips. Up, over, down, hit. Movie clip symbol, they are usable piece of Flash animation which consists of one or more graphic button symbol. Right? So we can say the best thing about the movie clip is that you can control them from action to script and you can change their dimension, position, color, alpha and other properties. Now what is creating a symbol? Draw a Venn on the stage by selecting a rectangular tool and oval tool. हमने rectangle और oval tool का use करा. Now you will choose a selection tool and double click. आप object पे double click करोगे. You will see after selecting the click on modify convert to symbol. To convert to symbol, dialog box appears and three behavior option movie clip behavior will be shown. Select the graphic behavior and then specify the symbol name up as well. So you will observe that symbol name appear beside the scene name and you can say that अब notice the blue line. आप एक blue line यहाँ पे notice करेंगे. देखो यहाँ पे क्या है? एक blue line note. You will click on the Venn and increase the modifying appearance and then you will right click on it, click on edit option. Now from a symbol editing mode, click on scene 1. This will take you back to the view main movie timeline. Now twins animation. So we can say whenever a series of images are displayed at fixed interval, there is a sense of movement created. It's called animation happen, right? It helps for twinning, right? We can say that we have two kinds of twin animation, motion twin and shape twin. ठीक है, देखिए ये दोनों क्या करते हैं? Differ करते हैं. Now motion twin. So motion twin is created by definition of properties, a grouped object or text static key say, and then modifying the property of object is required. Now to create motion animation, motion twin, you will follow the step. First of all, you will use the symbol Venn from the library window. In the timeline, double click on the layer 1 title and then name it Venn and you will press enter. जैसे आप enter की press करोगे, now the symbol is in the frame 1 of the Venn and the position pointer of the frame 30. Click on the gray field below 30. आप gray field पे click करोगे and select the insert keyframe option or you can also press key F6. Select the Venn and then take it to the right side. आप Venn को select करोगे फिर उसको right side में ले जाओगे. Select the timeline at any place frame 1 and frame 30 and you will create motion twin और आप motion twin create करोगे. Click on the control menu then click on the test movie option. Now we have shape twin. If you want to shape the object into another, it does not work if the object has been converted into symbol. Right? अगर आप चाहते, there is a box and we want to appear into a circle. So what we will do? Two shape, a square and circle to be drawn in different frame. And we use shape twin for this purpose. First of all, you will select the stroke color and fill color and create a square in the first keyframe of timeline and select the frame 45. Insert timeline keyframe option. Keeping the playhead on frame 45, delete the square. Okay. आप क्या करोगे? जो square वाला object है उसको delete कर देंगे. Choose any frame between 2 to 44 and select shape from the twin option. Properties inspected. Now select control test movie command for playing the movie and viewing the shape twin effect. Now we have motion guide. What is motion guide? It is used to define the path of movement. When we apply motion guide, the new layer is added which is known as motion guide. The motion guide is in the final animation and you will follow the step. First of all, you will select the stroke color and fill color, right? Then create a car using oval tool and rectangle. Convert this object into graphical symbol, selecting modify and convert to symbol option. Now specify the registration point at the center and take the pointer to frame 45 in the timeline. You will right click on the gray field below 45, choose the insert frame option in the sub option. Now take a pointer to frame, right click on it, choose a create motion play. Now step 6, right click on the layer 1, pop-up menu appears, choose the add motion guide option, right? So Flash insert a motion guide layer on the top, layer 1 is shown. Now click on the movie guide layer for making sure that it is active layer. Pencil tool in the tool panel will be there. Click on frame 1 in the timeline. Drag the object and the position it at starting. Release the mouse button. Image is snapped by the guide. Now you will take the pointer, frame 45, place the object and then attach at the center only. Insert keyframe by right clicking on the frame 45 and guide layer 1. Now choose Control Test Movie from the menu bar for testing the Flash movie. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's move to the exercise now. First is take the correct option. The dash option is selected by default in convert to symbol dialog box. हम convert करेंगे symbol dialog box पे, that is movie clip. Dash is a place to store symbol, library. Dash specify the path of movement, that is motion guide layer. Which of the following is not a type of symbol? इसमें से कौन सा एक symbol का type नहीं है, that is library. Then we have animation is created with the help of twin. Right? Next is fill in the blanks. Dash is a reusable object used for static images or animation, movie. Next is your dash twinning changes. Twinning changes the shape of object into another. तो इसका आंसर twinning है. Symbols are stored in a. Symbols कहाँ stored होते हैं हमारे library में. Symbol dialog box has behavior option, twinning behavior option. The two types of twinning are, दो तरीके की twinning होती है, एक है shape twin और motion twin. Dash is used to define the path of movement of the object, that is motion guide layer. Motion write T for true and F for false statement. First is motion twinning works on symbol. It's true. Button symbols are used for timeline navigation. It's true. Shape twin is used when the object is converted into symbol. False. Now properties of graphic symbols. Properties of graphic symbol cannot be edited. False. Shape twinning is used with the object which are not symbol and are ungrouped. It's true. Whatever is drawn in motion guide layer, it is visible in the final animation. It's true. Now answer the following. What are symbol? Name the different types of symbol. ठीक है, different type of symbols बता रहे हैं. What is instance and why it is used. Define animation. Right? What is morphing? Twinning क्या होता है? और use क्या होता है motion guide layer का, and you have to tell the steps to use motion twin in Flash. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.